Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. Today we'll see how to create QQ account. So let's start. Well, if you have an QQ account, you have to click on the blue button there, so you can put here your credentials in this part and then just enter in the bottom that appears here. In case that you don't have an account, let's back and then let's press the other button that is white. Let's press there, and here you have to put your phone number. So remember to check if the code in your country is the correct one. If not, just click there and just select your country. When you select your country, put your phone number here and then just click in the blue button that appears there. In this way, you will sign up in QQ account. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.